watching Starring Entertainment.
Binata at maging abogado. During college, he authored the synthesis paper, The Rainbow Face, viewing the LGBT sector using Ladina's concepts of face, epiphany of the face, and infinite responsibility, which earned the distinction of Best in Oral Synthesis Defense. Beyond his professional pursuits, he enjoys spending time with family and close friends, meeting new people, and engaging in meaningful conversations through both his work and personal endeavors, and he continues to promote inclusivity, dignity, and equality in our own simple yet meaningful ways. Katulad ko din po siya, pumapasok sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno at chinecheck ang mga status mo doon at kung paano pinapapasok tayo, pinapatuloy yung LGBTQ+ community doon sa kanilang mga agencies or department. Please welcome Attorney Julian Paul Tabarang. Yeah. Bang tawag po niya sa akin kasi anak naman tawag sa kanya. Si Julian. Ako yung Julian, no? Julian. And naging street parliamentarian ka din for some times, di ba? Sa isang party list group, like the youth sector, Julian, no? Julian, so siguro lahat kami nagbigay ng message. Ikaw naman, what is your message? It's Pride Month. And as in general, what are you fighting for and what are you standing for?
Yes. Happy Pride Month.
Yeah, Happy Pride.
Happy Pride Month po sa lahat sa inyo po. Happy Pride Month din. And siguro quick message lang is we continue standing up for human rights because as Hillary Clinton once said, human rights are LGBT rights and LGBT rights are human rights. So we deserve equality. And I think narinig ko rin kayo nung sinabi na yung karapatang pantao naman, yung human rights ay hindi siya parang pizza pie, kumbaga. Na kapag tayo nabigyan ng tama at narapat na karapatan, mababawasan ng karapatan yung mga ibang nasa sektor ng lipunan. So, again, happy Pride sa akin.
Happy Pride, yeah. And Julia, how do you identify yourself?
I am a gay.
You're busy,
I am a
sorry. Okay, and do you want to add something? Kasi sabi nga nila, parang LGBT plus daw, parang lahat na ng alphabet na gamit na natin, and parang alphabet soup na siya. We don't want labels, no? But since it's a society that live in labels, we'd rather want a correct label.
Correct.
Kaya, di ba? Oo, may dadagdag ka ba?
So, yeah, I do identify as a gay man.
Mhm.
When it comes to gender expression, I'm more leaning on the masculine side. So yes, I'm a gay man.
Ayan. Okay. And you fall in love or you're
Right.
towards, yeah,
I'm towards
with same sex. Ayan. At proud po siya.
Yes.
Thank you, Julian. And